My name is Maria Coassin. I'm the founder and owner of Gelatiamo. My approach to teaching is from my heart. I would like more people to fall in love with this product and the art behind it. The class is an educational and hands-on journey through the world of artisanal gelato and ice cream. You will learn about ingredients and why it is so important to know them well. The classes are small, so full attention is dedicated to your specific needs. There is a science behind making gelato and ice cream. A gelato recipe cannot be changed to taste. It needs to be carefully evaluated for flavor and texture every time we want to adjust it. Just having recipes won't make your business successful. Time is spent in understanding the business of the gelateria or ice cream shop and the importance of knowing what it takes to make a good product. I would like to see more people fall in love with this product and the art behind it.
Maria came in, she taught us not only how to make gelato, but she taught us about the kitchen. She taught us how to run the front of the store, and she left us with a simple concept, and that was excellence.
It's definitely been worth it, and the proof is in the pudding, or in this case, the proof is in the gelato. It's just that Maria knows what she's doing. You know that when you get here, but when you really taste it and experience her passion for the craft, it's contagious.